Hello, it's the Dazzling One teaching tips and tricks to the everyday girl. I'll get your gorgeous to you. In today's video, it is part 2 in our quest for magnetic lashes. So, let's get started. So, as you heard, this is part 2 in my quest to find the perfect magnetic lash. My last video reviewed Kiss, Ardell, and Luxillia. So I'm going to talk about my new Luxillia magnetic lashes, but there's a twist. They are no magnetic lashes. So I have no clue what that means. All I know is I'm excited. So here they came in the box like this, okay? And I ordered them off of Amazon. They came to, I'm gonna say like $22, $23. And inside the box, they come with 7 pairs of lashes. It comes with a black liner pen and a clear liner pen, and also a tool to help you apply them. There's no magnets on them, but it is a magnetic liner. So what my thought is, and I could be wrong, is that the liner has the magnetics in it. So and another cool part is that it has black, so if you want more of a bold look, you could do your line with the black, or if you're wearing more of a softer natural look, you could use the clear. I'm gonna do one eye with each, just so we can see the difference in them. And number 1, the instructions say to shake the liner pen 5 to 6 times and then apply on the lash line. Another thing I learned too with magnetic lashes or false lashes or anything, if you struggle with getting them really close to your line, your lash line, like low enough, what I learned, and this is just a little tip that works for me, is if you notice I already have eyeliner on, is I put eyeliner on, and I also did a little in my upper inside lid of liner, mechanical liner, and I put that in, so that way you don't see that little bit of like lash line net if it's not completely down. And I also put a little mascara, Ultimate Mary Kay mascara, on my lashes, just so if I'm looking up, it's just seamless. You don't see like my lashes kind of down at the bottom and the other one. So that's just a little tip that's really helped me out. And I've been wearing the magnetic lashes, not these particular ones, but been wearing them more and more every day just to get more comfortable with them. So it is definitely easier, I would say, to apply if you want to wear false lashes, the magnetic lashes, or even these new ones. We're going to line our eyes with the liner, and you want to get the liner, like I said, as close to your lash line as possible, the lash line. And you also want to not let it dry completely. Remember in my other video, a lot of those liners said to let it dry completely. Some said apply 2 coats of the liner, so you would have, stronger hold. But the cool thing about this is you're just going to let it dry semi-dry, and it's really quick, and then you're going to apply your lash. So let's try it. So now I'm going to apply the liquid liner pen from Luxillia to one eye, and I'm going to do the clear on the other. Apply the clear liner to the other eye. The bottom pair right there. Okay. I have the little tool here. I have the lash in the tool, as you can see. don't feel like the placement is right, the cool thing about magnetic lashes that you really can't do with glue lashes is you can just kind of pull them off and replace them, getting them as close as you can to the lash bed. And I find it so helpful to use the back just to make sure I have it all down. Now we're going to apply lash number 2 to the other side where the clear liner is. Look how fast it connects to it. One is more dramatic or more just bold. So I have the clear on this side and the bold and the black on that side, and I like them both. Like, say if you know daytime you want more of a natural look, and then you're going out for the night, you can put the dark on, or you just like to rock a bold eye all the time, whatever. You have choices. So I haven't seen many brands out there that have like liner pens, and for me, I can use either or, but I find the liner pen is a lot easier, especially if you're somebody that's beginning using lashes, the magnetic lashes. So I believe, and I could be wrong, that the magnetic deal is in the liner, and then but I think there's something also in the band too, so that it can adhere to that. But it is it doesn't have, like, not that they're necessarily really heavy, but they feel even lighter than the other ones because you don't have the little bars of magnets on there. So I think they are incredible. So final thoughts on these Luxillia lashes, no magnetic lashes, they are incredible. They feel super lightweight, they're super soft, they're easy to apply. You can use your fingers or the little tool, which is amazing. I found that using the tool was super easy, and then I just like to, once I get them placed with the tool, then I use my fingers to kind of get them placed like I want, and that was super easy. I love the fact that it has a liner pen, which is so easy to work with for somebody who might just be starting off, or somebody who has a lot of skills with lashes. It's just super easy to maneuver. I like the fact that you don't have to wait for them to dry, super dry, like dry completely, and you only need one coat. You don't have to put tons of coats on. So if you are rushing and you're just like, oh my gosh, I gotta do my lashes and I gotta go, you know, and it works out even better. And I think that's incredible. And then I personally, it didn't say it in the instructions, but for me personally, I find that taking the opposite side of the tool and just kind of going over to make sure I really have it, because I can't see very well when I'm not wearing my glasses a lot, or I have a huge magnifying mirror. It helps me know that I really do have them placed, and so they get top score from me. I love these lashes. I think they're incredible, and it is super, super, super awesome. They're super great quality. I love all the different looks, you know, based on your mood. And even though you get 7 pairs of lashes, it's like getting 14 different looks with them, because you can either wear them natural or more bold. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and ding 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 ding. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.